नमस्कार, वेलकम टू कोड वाइल्ड। ये रहा हमारे वीडियोस, डीएसए सीरीज़, एल्गोरिथम सीरीज़। ऐसे वीडियोस तो आते रहेंगे और बहुत कंटेंट्स आएंगे। रितेश अग्रवाल के लाइफ स्टोरीज़ हो गया, या फिर कुछ बड़े लोग जो अपने ज़िंदगी में उखाड़ रखा है उनके लाइफ स्टोरीज भी आएंगे। और मेटावर्स हो गया, या फिर कुछ अलग अपकमिंग जर्नी क्रिप्टो करेंसी के बारे में हो गया, या फिर कुछ अपकमिंग लाइफ के टेक्नोलॉजीज़ के बारे में भी आते रहेंगे। ऐसे ऑसम कंटेंट के देखते रहने के लिए हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब, लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब करें। अब आते हैं मुद्दे पर। अब आज का क्वेश्चन है, ये एक गीक्स फॉर गीक्स का क्वेश्चन है। देखने में क्या लगता है? ऐसे देखने में लगता है ये तो बड़ा हो गया, ये क्वेश्चन तो बड़ा है, लेकिन कोई भी क्वेश्चन बड़ा नहीं होता है, सिर्फ उसको पढ़कर तोड़ना आना चाहिए। अब अगर मैं क्वेश्चन को ऐसे तोड़ दूँ, 3 पार्ट में ऐसे तोड़ दूँ, ये हो गया एक पार्ट, ये हो गया दूसरा पार्ट, तीसरा पार्ट। अब लग रहा है ना कुछ लाइक हाँ, 3 ही तो पार्ट है, इस पार्ट को समझना है, बाद में इस पार्ट को समझना है, बाद में इस पार्ट को, right? It's very easy. You don't have to fear seeing any problem. Just you have to see, okay, how can I divide the problem, make into smaller parts, and then move forward. Think of the algorithm, then go forward, code it. If error comes, solve the error and solve it. After solving error, you will get to know where I am going wrong, and from next time don't repeat that and go on practice. Like if you practice at least 3 problem per day, in 365 days it will be around 1000 problems. Seeing, are you able to see the power of consistency, right? So keep practicing, never leave. Every day 3 hours, 3 questions, I don't mind. If more than 3 questions, it's fine, but I should pakka solve 3 questions. That should be your confidence level, and that should be your commitment. Come on, let's solve this now. Okay, so we have 4 integers a, b, c and n, where a, b, c represents the first 3 of a series and n represents the nth number of the series. Like this is a problem of series, right? We have to there is a series, a, b, c are the first 3 numbers of the series which will be provided by the user, and n is the nth series we have to find. And nth number of series, how can we find the nth number? They have given a clue. Like the nth number is the sum of last 3 number. Like if we have to find 7th number, then it is the summation of 6, 5 and 4. So 4th number, 5th number and 6th number, we have to add all the 3 numbers, and this will be the 7th number. Now coming to the input and the output things. So first line, as usual, it contains t test cases. Then next t lines, 4 space, like the nothing, don't say this English like money, difficulty or something like this. It's just we have to give the 4 ABC, like, but we have to give a space between them so that the compiler understands, okay, these are the different numbers, right? Okay, अब एक एग्जांपल देखते हैं. So 4 t test cases, so 4 test cases. So 1, 2, 5, this is a, so this is a, this is b, and this is c, and this is the nth number we have to find. So first it says 1, 2 and 5, we have to find the 4th number. So 4th number means we have to find 4 minus 1 3, 3 minus 1 2, 2 minus 1 1. So we have to find the numbers at this position and add them. So it's 1. So third position is, what's the number in third position? 5 plus 2 plus 1, which is equals to 8. Then coming to this example, So we have these three numbers. So they are asking the fifth. They are asking the fifth position. So to find fifth position, we should know fourth, third, and second. The elements in these numbers. We know second. Let me take another pen. So second position is this, third position is this, but where can we find this fourth number? This is the question. So as the question says, we should find fourth number from that clue. What is that clue? Fourth number is the addition of third number, second number, and first number, and we have the third number we have 5, second number we have 2, and first number we have 1. So we have to add that. After adding that, we will get 8. Then we got fourth number also. Then we have to add 5 plus 8 plus 5 plus 2, which will be equals to 15. In the same manner, if you solve these two, you will get 51 and 9. Try to solve them. You will understand. Pause this video, sit, take a pen and paper, solve this, then you will get to know. And if you are super talented, solve in brain itself. Right? Come on, let's code now. Open your the platform in which you code. I code in VS Code. It's your wish. You can code in any platform. Now, the first line was t test cases. So int t, cint, then while t minus minus. Right? Then next, what was next? We have A, B, C. Right? हमारे पास क्या क्या है? A, B, C यूजर को एंटर करना है और nth पोजीशन हमको फाइंड करना है. सो वी शुड डिक्लेयर A, B, C and n. Right? Then C in A, B, C and n. Okay, this much we know. After this, we have to find. How can we find? Right? Let's go here. So as I said, so fifth number, let me go to next page. So to find fifth number, as in that example you saw fifth number, you should know what is the fourth number, then what is the third number, then second number. And if it's sixth number, you should know fifth number, fourth number and third number, and this goes on, right? So can you see that there's how can we solve this? So to solve this, what we can do is, we will have a function. Let's consider it as add. So let's consider a function named add that will take A, B, C and n, right? A, B, C and n. And if we have to find sixth position, what we will do is, we will keep on decreasing the number, the n. First time the n will be while sending, what we will do is, to make it easier, what we will do is 6 minus 3 we will do. Any number, so n minus 3 we will do. We will take a big n. So big N equals to the nth number which you have to find, n minus 3 we will do. Okay, fine. That we will be sending here with A, B, C and n. Okay, we will be sending the n here. For example, if I take the sixth case, 6 minus 3, 3. So 3 will come here. Then until it's 1, we will keep on decreasing. Okay, because once it become like 3, right? So 3, then if we then we have to make it 3 minus 1. Okay, wait 1 minute. What we will do is, since we pass here 3, right, we pass here 3, then we have to keep decreasing the n value, then again send this, right? So that recursively, if we do that, at one point of time when n equals to 1, we will return the value of a, b, c. This is the overall. Now I will take an example and explain you. Let's take this example, 1 2 5 5. So 1 2 5 5. So 1 2 5, these three are numbers a, b, c, and this is the nth number we have to find. So first what we will do is, we will keep an n, capital N, which is equals to 5 minus 3, right? Because we know the first three numbers. So 5 minus 3 equals to 2. Okay, now we have a function named add, in which we will be passing a, b, c and capital N. Okay, so this will be a recursive function where each time the value of a, b, c will be changing, because first time when we pass it will be 1 2 5, right? But next time when it comes, if it's 1 2 5, then it will return 5 plus 2 plus 1, because at that time n equals to, we will decrease n by 1 and n equals to 1, then it will be 5 plus 2 plus 1, then it will return 8. That's not wrong, right? So what we have to do, we have to, if a is here, we have to bring the a here, a. Then if b will be here, right, bring the b here. Then c will be here. Then what we will do for c? For c it will be a plus, like we have to add these three. So the new value of c will be a plus b plus c. Okay, the new value of c will be a plus b plus c. Let me take another pen. So the new value of c will be a plus b plus c. Now we have to pass this and decrement n by 1. So n will become n minus 1. Perfect. Now when n value equals to 1, then we will return the value of this. You will understand better when I code. Okay. Now we will write an add function. We will return, it's an integer type. So int add a comma b comma c comma n. Okay. So let me declare here, initialize n equals to n minus 3. Okay. Now as I said, you should, in every recursive function, what you should, first you should find a base condition. So here the base condition is, if n, अगर n 1 के बराबर हो गया तो क्या करो ना, रिटर्न a प्लस b प्लस c. तब जो वैल्यू भी होगा a और b और c में, सबको सम करके रिटर्न कर दो. तो बेस कंडीशन तो क्लियर हो गया. अब क्या करना है ना, अगर n का वैल्यू 1 नहीं है तो क्या करना है, a को b से करना है, b को c से इनिशियलाइज करना है और c को a प्लस b प्लस c को इनिशियलाइज करना है. सो पहले क्या करते हैं ना, int temp नाम का एक ये कर देंगे जिसमें a b c, क्योंकि बाद में अगर करेंगे तो वैल्यूज चेंज हो जाएगा, चेंज हो जाएगा ना ये वैल्यू में. ये अब नेक्स्ट टाइम अब लिखता हूँ, रुको पता चल जाएगा. a इक्वल्स टू b, ओ सॉरी इधर में इंट इसलिए जल्दबाजी ज़्यादा नहीं करने का. इंट है ना. अब a इक्वल्स टू b, b इक्वल्स टू c, और अगर मैं यहाँ c इक्वल्स टू ए प्लस बी प्लस सी करता तो क्या हो जाता, न्यू वैल्यू ऑफ ए बी सी would be initialized here and we wouldn't get the real value. So first of all, make a temporary variable t in which you will be storing the old values and adding them. Fine, समझ में आ रहा है? Now you can initialize c with t. Now this much, right? No, it's a recursive function. We have to keep on sending the same function until it satisfies the base condition. So what we have to return that the same function itself with the new values of a, b and c and decrease the value of n by n minus 1. Perfect. That's it. Let's keep here another bracket for just for safety, nothing else. Safety and better understanding. And here we will have cout. What? Cout add. I will be passing the value of a, b and c and value of n and then endl. Perfectly fine, right? Everything looks cool, everything looks fine. सब सही है ना, सब सही लग रहा है ना? चलो अब रन करके देखते हैं क्या होता है, देखता है. सो एग्जाम्पल क्या था? एग्जाम्पल था 4 एंट्रीज देंगे 1 2 5 4 8 था ना. देन नेक्स्ट 1 2 5 5 15 सही है ना. देन नेक्स्ट 1 2 5 और 7 51 सही था ना. या कैलकुलेट करके भी देख सकते हैं, सही आंसर ही होगा. और 5 9 सेम, देख सकते हो सेम ही है. समझ में आ रहा है ना? कोई भी क्वेश्चन हो पहले उस क्वेश्चन को सही से तोड़ना चाहिए. टू ब्रेक द क्वेश्चन एंड देन सॉल्व इट, देन सी हाउ टू सॉल्व इट, देन प्रोसीड विद द कोड. देन यू विल फाइंड, मे बी यू फाइंड सम एरर्स, सॉल्व दोज एरर्स and then the question is solved, and understand what you learn from those questions and understand the errors which you got and don't repeat it further. That's the rule of anything in life. You will get failures, that's common, but you have to accept it and move forward. Now this is our channel Code Wild, so please do like, share and subscribe the videos and share with your friends. Many awesome contents will be coming, DSS series, all those things will be coming. Thank you so much for watching. Dhanyavad. Jai Hind.